AI is rising so fast. With the help of AI, you are not only able to generate some simple text, you can make an entire video with the help of AI. So in this video, I'll show you how you can make a video on any topic even you don't need a script with the help of AI. So watch the video until the end. And today we are using Lumen 5, and this is an AI tool. With the help of this AI tool, you can convert any text to a whole video. Even you can convert your own video to another AI generated video. And I had given the website link in the description box, so you can go and check out there. So right now you can see here there are lots of templates, so I can choose any templates I want, and it's actually up to you which templates you really like. Actually you can see here that there are rectangular templates, there are lines templates. If you click here preview, you can actually watch this, how it will be the videos. And also you can see here that you can change the ratio. You can change it from 1:1. Also you can change this to 9:16. So these are really cool though. And if I just scroll a little bit, you can see here these are gradients templates, these are organic templates, these are angular templates, these are sorted templates. Really cool. So I'm here using this template for example. So I will just use this template in 16:9 format. So I'll click here, then it will just take some time for loading. Now in here you can see here that they are saying choose how to get started. So I can just choose here that only just text to media. So what's gonna happen, if I just click this option, I can just make a video, but the video will be no voiceover in the background. And if I just click here AI voiceover, it will be like a robot, AI will talk behind this. And I think this is the best. Actually it depends which type of video you really want to make for. So in this video I'm gonna just make everything. So right now you can see here that I'm in the script option. If I choose this one, outline and idea, actually only I have to give like simple 4 things. Like for example, I want to just make a video on AI revolution. Yeah, the fourth revolution, the AI. It's mean the AI. It's like this. And now this is actually the main title of the video. And if I just have to give like 3 ideas of the video, for example, like what will cover the video in this topic, actually like bad sides. So if I just click here compose script, it will give me a whole video, and I don't have to give any script. I don't have to research anything, it will give me everything from itself. But in here, and also in here you can see here there are like rest of 3 options here. So if I just go here, it's like maybe you just made a script by yourself, so you can also just paste here. And if you just after like maybe this is a script, and then just if you click here compose script, your video will be ready. And there's like another option which is called the import an article. So this is the best. Like maybe you read an article and you really like that article, now you want to just make a video from that. And only you have to do is what, like for example, this is the article I just read here, and this article is about the AI revolution transforming business for the future. So only I have to do is it doesn't matter like how long is it, only I have to just copy the link. Okay, then I just copy it. Now I have to come here, then I have to paste it. Simple. Yeah. And if I click here import, everything will be ready. And the last one you can see here is upload a document. Maybe you made a text file and everything is on there, maybe someone sent it to you, and you can click here upload a document, and it can be a PDF, it can be a docx, or it can be a pptx. The format actually depends. So in this video I'm gonna just make a whole video from an article. So I'll just click this option, and I already had given the link, so I'll just click import. Just see how cool is it. Now it's actually ready, and look in here I can upload like more images, and this image actually from this one, because in here actually only one image, so they choose this image. So this is the whole blog post here. So if I just click here compose script, now you can see here that right now I'm in the voiceover section. So actually right now I can also edit these things, For example, if I want to add another block, for example, I just want to add and something, and I just read here, like for example, you want to add in more information, you can just write here. And if you want to just delete this block, you can just also delete this block. So it's all up to you. And in the corner at the right section, you can see here that the words limit. So actually I can use 900 words because it's a free plan, so that's why. And my whole video is 1 minute 44 seconds. So if I click here, and also I can just change the voice. In here I'm just using Bria, and if you see here, and I can also change the other voice. And this I'm using the free plan, so that's why I can't use this, so I have to upgrade and I can just use them. And for the free plan I can use Bria and Liam. So for example, I'm just using Bria for this. Okay, so now the best part, if I just click here convert to video, it will just take some time. So my friends, right now you can see here that our video is fully generated. So actually you can do lots of edits in here. Maybe you didn't like the background of this section, so actually just click here and I will just click here AI suggest media, and after just clicking here, actually I can just change the background. For example, I will just put this one, so I'll just click this and boom, it will be changed. So I don't want to like this, so I'll just go with the first one. So it's like this. And also I can just change icons here. I'll just click here icons. Actually the icons are not free, actually it's an upgrade plan. I can also change the voice. For example, I want to just upload a voice, I'll just click upload voice, and I can just upload a voice from my PC or whatever you use. You can just also change the background from here. For example, this track is using as the background. If you want to change this, also you can change this. You can also change the style, you can add your own watermark, you can actually change the font. Actually I'm just making 16:9, which is a landscape ratio. Also you can change this from here. Also you can change the sources, and you can do actually lots of changes from yourself if you want to. Click here publish. So my friends, right now you can see here that our video is fully to view. So if I just click here view, and I can just watch the full video I want. And also you can see here at the last option, you can actually download the transcript. You can resize this right now. You can actually copy the link. For example, you want to share this with anybody, you will all just copy the link and you can share this thing and the person can see this. So right now I want to just download the video, and I'll click here download, and I will just choose the path, then save. Then our video will be downloaded, and it's like 7.3 MB. Then I'll just go to the file and just look, here's the video.
Unleashing the power of efficiency. In the world of AI, mundane tasks are handled swiftly, leaving room for creativity. Industries like manufacturing and logistics are witnessing a seismic shift in operational efficiency thanks to AI-powered automation. This accelerates production, minimizes errors, and leads to cost savings. Redefining talent acquisition. AI's prowess in talent acquisition is transforming the traditional hiring process. AI algorithms analyze resumes, identify key skills, and predict cultural fit within companies. This expedites the hiring process and ensures selected candidates thrive in their roles. Navigating the ethical landscape. Ethical concerns surrounding AI implementation are being addressed. Companies are actively working to mitigate potential bias embedded in AI algorithms. There's a growing emphasis on developing ethical AI frameworks and guidelines. The balancing act. While AI brings advantages, it's essential to acknowledge the potential risks it poses. The fear of job displacement due to automation is a legitimate concern. However, AI can be a powerful ally in upskilling the workforce. Real-life success stories. AI's impact on businesses is unfolding in real-life success stories. For instance, Amazon's AI-powered recommendation engines enhance the customer experience and drive sales. Looking to the future. The integration of AI will continue to reshape industries. Striking the right equilibrium between harnessing the potential of AI and addressing ethical concerns is imperative. The future is exciting, and AI is the catalyst that will propel businesses into new frontiers of innovation and efficiency.
So that's how you can make an entire video with the help of AI, and I hope you get really amazed that how AI can generate a really good video. If you get really helped by this video, don't forget to give a like. If you want to update it on AI tools, subscribe the channel. Peace.